Okay, you can see there's a yung bird, oh. They're waiting for the fish. Okay, dalawa yan, oh. Long neck bird, white and gray. Okay, tingnan natin kung anong kanilang. Okay, ninglipad na. Going here. Uy, plastic nalagata. Oh, checking. Now they are checking. They're looking for a fish. Sea bird. I don't know what is the scientific name of these birds. Looking for a fish. Okay, again fly. Move closer to me. Move closer. And all the birds is shouting. And they know. Okay, now she's starting to fly and looking for a fish. Maybe there's a fish coming. Oh, my hands is moving now. He fly. He get some fish. No, he going up. Where's another one? The gray one is over there. And there's another one. Oh, the white one. Still waiting. But why looking at the back? Gitugnaw. Maybe feel cold or something. We check it out. There's another birds swimming. Look at. There are three. Now is one swimming. Catching a fish. Then another bird still waiting again. Drinking some water, salty water. Oh, no fish. That's why he turning back. Turning back or flying again. Closer to me. Flying closer to me.
나도 성공했다. 다 했다.